Welcome back to Ottawa Valley Vintage Motorcycles. So you guys haven't seen me do any work on this bike here for a while, so I just found this nice little shifter for it. I noticed when I got this one, it looks like somebody had broken it and re-welded it there, and it looks kind of crappy. So we're just going to install this on there, just a short video. And yeah, we'll eventually do some more videos on this bike because it's getting close. So just a 10mm socket. Wrench. These bolts, you have to take them all the way out to get them off. I don't know if you can see in here, but there's a little bit of a dip in there where the bolt goes through, and it shouldn't come off otherwise. So it's pretty much level with the bottom of the foot peg. There we go. Hopefully this fits on okay. About there. All right, there we go. Reinstalled the new shifter. I used the old bolt. I like that one better. A little better than the this cheap one that came with the new one. So yeah, so she's ready to go as far as shifting goes. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be pressurizing the crankcase on this. We tried it once before, but we had an issue, so I got some new, I don't know what you call these, intakes. They're like little rubber boots that go from one side to the other. So I got some brand new ones because that's where they were leaking. So we'll plug that up and we'll do a leak test on this for the crankcase, and hopefully we won't have to do the crankcase seals. We'll see. So thanks for watching Ottawa Valley Vintage Motorcycles, and if you want to see more on this bike, please like and subscribe.